By default, Sakai sites have one forum and one topic set up automatically in the Discussions tool. Instructors typically create a new topic for each online discussion activity. To create a new topic, click the New Topic button within a forum. To create a new forum, click the New Forum tab to the top left. The process for creating topics and forums is similar, and we're going to demonstrate creating a new topic. When creating a new topic, the default settings for that topic will be based on the settings for the forum that it's in. Enter a title into the topic field, and enter the discussion prompt into the description field. The short description field can be used to add very brief information about the topic if desired. To add an attachment, such as a file or image, click the Add Attachment button. Then, configure settings as desired. The topic can be made available to students immediately, or it can optionally be restricted by time. To restrict access, select the Specify Dates option below Availability. Then, click the calendar icons for the open and close date to choose the dates. Students won't be able to access the topic outside of this window. To connect the topic to Gradebook, an item needs to exist in the Gradebook for the topic. If the intended Gradebook item is already added in the Gradebook tool, select an option in the drop-down under Grading. See our Grading Discussions video for more details, or visit the PLU Knowledge Base. Access permissions can be set at the bottom of the page. To change permissions, click the Permission Level drop-downs. The Contributor option is recommended for students, which allows them to post conversations and replies. Be aware that the Contributor level does not permit students to edit or delete their own posts by default. When finished adjusting the topic settings, click Save. Alternatively, to save progress and return to editing the settings later before publishing, click Save Draft. The new topic will display. If a short description was added for the topic, it will appear below the title. If a full description or an attachment was added, it will initially be hidden. Students and instructors can see it by clicking View Full Description. To adjust topic and forum options at any time, click Topic Settings and Forum Settings from the main Discussions tool page. Click More to access additional features, such as to duplicate, grade, and delete a topic or a forum. To rearrange the order of topics and forums, click the Organize tab to the top left. The forums and topics will appear in a numbered list. To rearrange their order, click the drop-down that appears to the left of each and select a new number. Lower numbers will appear at the top, and higher numbers will appear at the bottom. When done, click Save. The order of forums and topics will be updated. More information about the Discussions tool can be found in our other videos or by visiting the PLU Knowledge Base.